Good afternoon. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm Jim. Today I'm in the shop and I'm going to turn some pens. I'd like for you to come along with me and I'll turn a few and then we'll see where we go from there. So anyway, first thing, I'm going to move you around here. Move my
His hands once carried steel through the smoke and the fire. Now they carve quiet story into old oak and pine. The grain speaks a language, rough edges align. But the nights they still call, with shadows that crawl through the cracks in the wall. These hands once built a break, now try to mend. A cradle, a chair, a life to defend. These hands are learning to love again. The saw hums low, a soft lullaby, for ghosts he can't bury, for tears he won't cry. The wood doesn't judge, it just lets him try. But the scars, they still sting when the hammer starts to sing, like a war drum echoing. These hands once built to break, now try to mend. A cradle, a chair, a life to defend. These hands are learning to love again.
Hand-carved hearts, strung as stone, from a small barn shop we call home. Soldier Farms, you feel the grain, every board tells a name. Soldier Farms wood shop, bring the warmth inside, hang our work where your stories live and hide. Find us on Etsy and Goima Jean too. Soldier Farms wood shop, made by hands for you. Hey!
we're good for now. Alrighty, so thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time here at Soldier Farms.